Yo, on everybody. Um, Hopefully, I haven't been doing any videos in so long, so hopefully I get the chance to do all of that this summer. That is it. Thanks everybody for supporting the page, continuing to support the page. On Facebook, Dirty Berry Show, and YouTube. Getting a good amount of views, and I've not even been doing videos, and still I'm getting comments and views and all of that stuff. Um, I'm just quite humbled by the entire thing. Right now, I'm hearing that you want more vids. Hopefully, we get to do some more vids. Because everybody's doing vids these days, and I really am enjoying some of the vids that I'm seeing. So hopefully, I can just get back into the thing and start doing something that I honestly love. I'm meeting a couple of people, some really cool people. So hopefully, well, you'll get to see them later on for this summer. So just take care and keep safe. And I'll post a link to the page if you don't know it, the Berry Show page, and check out some of the other vids from a long time. And stay tuned because we're going to be doing more vids coming this summer. Love you guys. Bless up.